been thinking about you day and night, wondering if this could be something right. Every time I see you, my heart skips a beat. I've got a secret I can no longer keep. Oh, here it comes, the moment of truth. I'm about to say what I feel for you, but before I do, let me show you this. A little surprise you can't resist. I love you. Oh wait, look at this pup. Isn't it cute? Just look at it jump. Forget what I said, focus on those eyes. The fluffy face is the real prize. I've been dreaming of us walking hand in hand, lost in a world that we both understand. But before I get too far ahead, here's a picture to see instead. Oh, the big words were almost spoken, but now the mood's cutely broken. Look at those ears and that wagging tail. A picture like this will never fail. I love you. Oh wait, look at this pup. Isn't it cute? Just look at it jump. Forget what I said, focus on those eyes. The fluffy face is the real prize. When words are hard to find, a pup's smile can change your mind. Take a moment to enjoy the view. This little dog's stealing the show from you. I love you. Oh wait, look at this pup. Isn't it cute? Just look at it jump. Forget what I said, focus on those eyes. The fluffy face is the real prize. But as I see you smiling back at me, I realize something that sets me free. You love me too, and it's plain to see. This dog's our witness, it's you and me.